Hello everyone, my name is Ishan and on behalf of Team Cyphertext, I'll be presenting our project DarkZOR. DarkZOR is the first privacy-focused dark pool AMM which is built on Phoenix with the fully encrypted FHE calculations. So first let's discuss what is dark pool. A dark pool is basically something which lets traders execute large or sensitive orders without revealing their price or intent into the market. So like what happens is that uh, whenever a large trade occurs, it gives a large impact to the market, and because of which there's a high change and fluctuation in the market, and thus dark pools they hide overflow and it prevents front running and reduces the market impact. Okay, so coming to the problem, what happens is that blockchain is basically it leaks a lot of data. Trading on chain is not private. MEV bots, they see everything. They see the front running and they lead to. So talking about the existing systems, they do not offer private order flow. They do not offer encrypted matching of orders and trustless settlement. So yeah, let's discuss why FHE. Firstly, the major reason being that encrypted calculations, all the swap calculations, they are happening in an encrypted format. The data is not decrypted. Secondly, it prevents us from MEV attacks, sandwich attacks, etc. because there is no front running as all the data is encrypted throughout each step. And this is obviously true decentralization. Okay, so talking about a sponsor track which we have chosen this with it is Phoenix, which helped us which is a FHE layer which helped us to write the contracts and all the price, size, order type, etc. Into EUNT type, and we use the coffee, which is the coprocessor of Phoenix, to run the heavy operations of FHEs. Secondly, we use the FHE RC20 tokens, which is by Phoenix itself, which brings the ERC20 tokens into an encrypted format. Next, we use was near intents to handle cross-chain settlements. Let's quickly go through the code of near intents. Yeah. Okay. So this is how. Okay. So this is how the swap code has been generated. The swap code will be generated, and this is how the swap will be executed. Okay. So let's move on to the demonstration very quickly. Okay. So yeah, welcome to DarkZOR website. This is basically some description which I've already given, explanation of the project. Let's move on to the application very quickly, and yeah, here you can see my balance in the wallet, the pool reserves. This is just for the development purpose and to explain in the demonstration. It will not be there in the main application obviously in the future. So yeah, I'll just add some liquidity here. I'll add 1000 tokens of, I'll approve it on MetaMask. And the transaction has been successful. I can check it on the Explorer, which we have of our own. I'll just refresh it, and as you can see, the pool reserves have been updated. I can swap. Suppose right now I have 9,000 of each. I'll swap one token. Yeah, I'll swap WZDC for MERC, wrapped ZDC token for mock ERC20 token, and yeah, as you can see, the values have changed. Let's go to the Explorer. And yeah, here as you can see, the transactions all are private. The amount have not been revealed. Yeah, so that's the magic of FHE. Okay, so now coming to cross-chain swaps, we have used near intents. I'll quickly suppose USDC to ZDC. Okay, so code has been generated as explained earlier, and a cross-chain swap will be executed. And I've already my private key is there in the code, so that's why I've directly generated. So okay, Yeah, as you can see, yeah, for 1 USDC, I have received 0.0296 USDC cash. So this is how the cross chain thing worked. If I go to API status for the cross chain, as you can see, everything is working here. Yeah, that's it. That's much about the project. Thank you so much.